Let's understand what is a line in this video as we learn simple shapes using points, lines, rays, segments and some types like horizontal and vertical. Have you ever looked at a pencil, a road or a bookshelf and noticed straight marks? Those are lines all around us every day, right? Some lines stop, some start and keep going, and some go on forever. Today we will see lines, segments and rays step by step. A line is like lots of points joined in a straight way, like a tight string pulled straight across a page without curves. A line keeps going both ways without ending, in opposite directions, like a road that never stops on either side at all. A line has no thickness. It is as thin as possible. We only show its path, not any width, like a pencil trace drawn very thin. A line is one-dimensional, which means it has only length and no width. So we can measure how long it is, but not how wide it is. Points, lines and angles are the basic building blocks of shapes in geometry. They help us make squares, rectangles and many more figures we see every day. A point shows a position. It is like a tiny dot that marks where something begins or meets. For example, a corner of your desk. An angle is made when two lines meet at a point. The space between them makes a corner we can measure, like the corner of a book. A rectangle has 4 vertices. These vertices are points where the corners meet. Each point marks a corner of the shape on paper. A rectangle has 4 sides. Each side is a straight line. These lines join the points to make the rectangle shape neatly. A rectangle has 4 angles. Each angle is a right angle, which means it measures 90 degrees, like the corner of a square book. We can make many shapes like rhombus, parallelogram, square, kite, cube and cuboid, all built with points, lines and angles we study. A line segment is a part of a line that has 2 endpoints. It has a beginning point and an ending point, so it stops there. We can see line segments in a pencil, a stick or the edge of a ruler because they have a clear beginning and end. A ray starts at one endpoint and goes on forever in one direction, like a flashlight beam that keeps going out into the dark. A horizontal line moves from left to right in a straight direction, like the top of your school desk or a shelf. A vertical line runs from top to bottom, like a flagpole or the edge of a door, standing straight up and down. Parallel lines are 2 straight lines that never meet. They stay the same distance apart forever, like train tracks beside each other. So, what do we learn from this? Lines, points and angles are simple tools that help us make and describe many shapes we see every day. Let us quickly remember. A line is a straight set of points going both ways without end, with no thickness and only one dimension. A line segment is a piece of a line with 2 endpoints. It begins here and ends there. We can measure its exact length. A ray has one endpoint and keeps going forever in one direction, like light from a torch that never stops as it shines far away. Horizontal lines go left to right, vertical lines go top to bottom, and parallel lines never meet. They stay the same distance apart. Points mark corners, lines show sides, angles make corners, and together they form shapes like rectangles with 4 sides and 4 right angles. We can also make shapes like rhombus, parallelogram, square, kite, cube and cuboid, all using points, lines and angles together in many ways. So today we learnt about lines, line segments, rays, points and angles and how they build shapes. Great job listening and thinking about these ideas. If you want to learn more, explore fun lessons on EduRev, try drawing shapes at home, and ask questions. Learning can be fun every day. Keep watching, keep drawing, and remember to look for lines all around you every day. See you next time. Goodbye.